The sun is a star, a magnificent celestial body that has been shining for over 4.6 billion years. It is a giant ball of burning gas, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion at its core. This gas releases energy as light and heat, a process that fuels the sun's radiant glow and warmth. This energy travels millions of miles through space to reach our planet, taking about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to journey from the sun to Earth. Every day, the sun bathes the Earth in more energy than we could ever use, providing an abundant source of renewable energy. This solar energy is a powerful force, capable of driving technological advancements and sustainable solutions. It drives the Earth's weather patterns, influencing everything from the gentle breeze to the most powerful storms. It allows plants to grow through photosynthesis, a process that converts sunlight into chemical energy, sustaining life on Earth. And increasingly, we are harnessing this energy to power our homes and businesses, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. This is the story of how we capture the sun's energy, transform it, and use it to power our modern lives. From the vast solar farms in deserts to the rooftop panels in urban areas, solar technology is becoming more efficient and accessible. Solar panels made up of photovoltaic cells convert sunlight directly into electricity. These cells are designed to capture photons from sunlight and generate an electric current. When photons hit the solar cells, they knock electrons loose from their atoms, creating a flow of electricity. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect. Advances in technology have made solar panels more efficient, allowing us to generate more electricity from the same amount of sunlight. Hybrid inverters and batteries play a crucial role in storing solar energy, ensuring that we have a steady supply of power even when the sun isn't shining. Community solar projects are also on the rise, allowing people who cannot install solar panels on their own homes to benefit from shared solar energy. The sun's energy is not just a scientific marvel, it is a gift that enhances our daily lives, from the food we eat to the power that lights our homes. As we continue to innovate and embrace solar energy, we move closer to a sustainable future where the sun's gift from the sky powers our world in harmony with nature. Solar panels are remarkable devices. They stand as a testament to human ingenuity and our quest for sustainable energy solutions. They are designed to capture the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. This process is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. But how do they do this? The science behind solar panels is both fascinating and complex. Involving intricate materials and precise engineering, solar panels are made up of many smaller units called solar cells. Each of these cells plays a crucial role in the overall function of the panel. These cells are typically made from silicon, a material found in sand. Silicon is chosen for its excellent semiconductor properties, which are essential for the conversion process. When sunlight hits a solar cell, it knocks electrons loose from the silicon atoms. This phenomenon is known as the photovoltaic effect, which is the cornerstone of solar technology. These freed electrons then flow through an electrical circuit, creating a direct current or DC of electricity. This flow of electrons is harnessed and directed to power various devices and systems. This is the raw form of electricity generated by solar panels. However, to be used in our homes and businesses, this DC electricity often needs to be converted to alternating current or AC, which is the standard form of electricity for most appliances. This conversion is done by a device called an inverter. The inverter ensures that the electricity generated by the solar panels is compatible with the electrical grid and can be used efficiently. Solar panels are not just limited to rooftops or fields. They can be integrated into various structures, from residential homes to large commercial buildings and even community projects. As technology advances, the efficiency and affordability of solar panels continue to improve, making solar energy a viable option for more people around the world. The potential for solar energy is immense, and it plays a critical role in our transition to a more sustainable future. By harnessing the power of the sun, we are not only reducing our carbon footprint, but also paving the way for a cleaner, greener planet for future generations. Capturing the light of the sun is more than just a technological achievement, it is a step towards a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Direct current, or DC, is a type of electrical current that flows in one direction. Think of it like a river steadily flowing downstream. This is the type of electricity produced by solar panels. While DC is useful for some applications, most of our household appliances and devices run on a different type of current, alternating current or AC. Alternating current, or AC, is a type of electrical current that changes direction periodically. Instead of flowing in a straight line like DC, it oscillates back and forth. This back and forth motion is essential for many electrical devices. It allows motors to spin and transformers to step voltage up or down. Our homes are wired for AC, and most of our appliances are designed to run on it. Section 5. Inverters. Bridging the gap between DC and AC. To use the direct current electricity generated by solar panels in our homes, we need a device called an inverter. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into direct current, or DC, electricity. However, our homes and most of our appliances run on alternating current, or AC, electricity. This is where inverters come into play. Inverters act as translators, converting the direct current electricity from solar panels into the alternating current electricity our homes use. This conversion is crucial because it ensures that the energy harnessed from the sun can be effectively utilized to power our daily lives. Without inverters, the DC electricity generated by solar panels would be incompatible with our household electrical systems. Inverters are essential components of any solar energy system. They not only convert DC to AC, but also optimize the energy output, ensuring maximum efficiency. Modern inverters come with advanced features such as real-time monitoring, which allows homeowners to track their energy production and consumption. This helps in managing energy use more effectively and can lead to significant cost savings over time. They allow us to harness the sun's energy and use it to power our lights, appliances, and electronics. From running your refrigerator to charging your electric vehicle, inverters make it possible to integrate solar energy seamlessly into our daily routines. As technology advances, inverters are becoming more efficient and affordable, making solar energy a viable option for more households. This not only reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, but also contributes to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Section 6. Hybrid inverters. A smarter approach to solar energy. In recent years, a new type of inverter has emerged, the hybrid inverter. These intelligent devices combine the functions of a traditional solar inverter with a battery charger and system management capabilities. Hybrid inverters are designed to maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of solar energy systems. They allow homeowners to store excess solar energy in batteries for later use, providing greater energy independence and resilience. Section 7. Leading the charge-top hybrid inverters in the market. As the demand for solar energy grows, so too does the market for high-quality hybrid inverters. Several companies are leading the way in innovation and performance. These leading brands offer a range of features and capabilities, including advanced monitoring systems, remote control options, and seamless integration with battery storage solutions. Section 8. Storing the sunshine, the role of rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries play a crucial role in modern solar energy systems, especially those equipped with hybrid inverters. They act as energy banks, storing excess solar energy generated during the day for use at night or during power outages. This stored energy provides homeowners with greater energy independence, reducing their reliance on the grid and providing backup power when it's needed most. Section 9. A powerful partnership, hybrid inverters and battery storage. Hybrid inverters and rechargeable batteries work together to create a highly efficient and resilient solar energy system. The hybrid inverter manages the flow of energy, directing excess solar power to the batteries for storage and drawing from them when solar production is low. This dynamic duo allows homeowners to maximize their use of clean, renewable solar energy while ensuring a reliable and consistent power supply. Section 10. Embracing a brighter future. The benefits of advanced solar technology. The combination of hybrid inverters, rechargeable batteries, and high-efficiency solar panels represents a significant leap forward in solar energy technology. These advancements are making solar energy more accessible, affordable, and reliable than ever before. By embracing these technologies, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, lower our carbon footprint, and create a cleaner, more sustainable energy future for generations to come.